Hi there, everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I wanted to hop on here today and do a mini training on how to generate 10 to 20 leads a day on your Facebook. And I wanted to draw your attention to some of these simple techniques, and I think you'll really find it fun. It will be very effective in your business, no matter what business it is that you are, working at this time. So anyway, without further ado, I want to get started on this. So I've broken this down in 5 steps. Okay, method 1 is actually growing your audience. As you know, Facebook has over 2 billion active users monthly. Okay, and it's important to actually utilize this platform strategically, right? We have an endless supply of people essentially that we can connect with organically, which is another term for free. If you didn't know, these are organic methods. These are free methods to get yourself in position to connect with people. So what you want to do is you want to make your audience highly targeted. And basically what that means is that's people that are in your industry. So you want to stick with those that are in the work-at-home industry, or they're seeking obviously to be in the work-at-home industry. I know a while ago you could have 2 separate profiles. You could have your personal and your business profile. Now they are confining you to 1 profile, but you can create like a business page if you decide. But lots of people have combined because we're kind of in that atmosphere right now where people are pretty much at home. They're working from home and they're wanting to generate an income from home. So people are very receptive to that at this point. So comparing this to list building, let's say, you can have 5,000 people on your friends list. So, if you can imagine, let's say you've got a $100 product and you have a portion of those people are connecting with you. You can do the math on that, obviously. Everyone wins. You can really be generating a handsome income. So method 2 is warming up to your audience. This is posting on your profile. And what you want to do is you really want to have your profile friendly. So you want to talk about, your results, value, and lifestyle. Value can be how-tos. It can be comedy tips. It can be, how to make a upside down cake or something like that, pineapple upside down cake. Your lifestyle is just showing the things that you enjoy doing. If it's nature, if you like car racing, if you like sports, if you like fishing, whatever it is, art, music, that kind of thing. So you want to rotate it, and your results can be yours or someone else's. So you always, when team members are accomplishing their goals, or when someone new comes in, it's good to celebrate them. It's good to show that, on your profile, so that people can feel like they're connecting in a community where they can have some success, because lots of people are not seeing success out there, and sometimes it's just fine-tuned changes, and this can make all the difference in the world for them. So method number 3 is the power of videos. Doing videos, obviously on your Facebook or your YouTube or your Instagram or what have you. Using videos helps people to really get to know, obviously, who you are. So pictures are worth 1,000 words, but videos are worth 1,000,000 pictures. They really are. People will reach out to you. Sometimes I've had people that have said, hey, I saw your video, or I've been watching your videos for a while, and I wanted to be sure and connect with you. And that really allows people to connect with you. And again, you can do the same style. Results, value, lifestyle. Maybe you want to dual live with someone. If you have someone on your team and they're really seeing some nice success, it's really good to feature them as a spotlighted member, or somebody in the winner's circle, or however you want to pay. You can really get creative and have fun with these techniques, guys. So method number 4 is being social on the fan pages. That is really, really good. So you want to look for people who have a large audience following. Let's say Gary Vaynerchuk, which a lot of you know him as Gary V, Grant Cardone, Les Brown, Sandy Krakowski, Danny Johnson. It's Dani Johnson. Those are, Ray and Jessica Higdon. Those are some of the people that have large fan pages, and there's a lot to learn there. It's an area where you can connect and learn, and when you're connecting with those people, you can comment and interact, and that's a way to really have that targeted audience, people that are thinking on the same terms that you are as well. So really, really fun. You can do that 4 to 5 times a day. So that's just really a good place to connect with people and really get to know them. Okay, method number 5 is posting in the groups. You want to look around for groups that are in your work at home or in your field of expertise, and really connect with those people, getting in there, maybe asking questions, or just posting a question or something that's going to engage your audience. And again, just focus on providing the value, sharing your story. Every time you learn something, guys, or make a concentrated decision to learn something new each day, and then go and share your own flair on that. So basically, to sum this up again, method 1 is growing your audience. Method 2 is posting on your profile. Method 3 is the power of videos on Facebook. Method 4 is being social on fan pages. And then method 5 is posting in free groups. So I hope that this helped. Feel free to subscribe to my channel, and if you want to click the obviously notification buttons to get the notifications of when I come on here, and make it a great one. Take care. Sorry guys, I was trying to find the end button there. For some reason, I'm not seeing the stop button.